Hi there, welcome back. So today I got this 2005 Honda Pilot. So right here the maintenance light on at the corner right here. So I'm going to show you how to reset your light. So first we're going to switch the ignition off, make sure it's off. We're going to hold this button right here. Let's see if I can get to show you guys. So what you're going to do, you're going to hold the button that I show you on the dash. Hold it in, turn the ignition on, do not crank the car, wait for that light to go off. Okay, and there you go. So as soon as it goes off, you release the button, you cycle the key, crank it, it should go away. And there you go guys. So if you find the video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.